Hello, this is Jacob, and this is my badger. We're going to start from the front with KC Badger handlebars. They're 27 wide and 8 rise. With Odyssey Adam Banton grips, Eastern bar ends. I have a stock salt stem. I flipped it upside down just because it's more comfortable that way. It gives it more rise. I have just a standard headset, stock salt forks, stock salt rim with the salt hub. I'm working on getting a new wheel right now. I'm trying to get some money for that. Tire in my front. Albies. I have a Demolition Mania fat pivotal seat. Just a non-brand $20 seat post. Odyssey Trail Mix metal pedals. There's just some random cranks. Shadow screen sprocket. Shadow V2 interlock chain. I have a Madeira cassette hub with Primo spokes and a Alienation runaway rim, and a Duo Stunner tire. And it's 2010, I think, We the People are. And the hub sounds like
yeah, Trey, I fucking feel ya. They be staring at the money like it's unfamiliar. I get it, I live it, to me there's nothing realer. Just enough to solve your problems, too much to kill ya. And when I leave, I always come right back.